Do you snore? Here's why it happens. If you snore, it's because the relaxed tissues in your throat vibrate as the air you breathe in rushes past them. Things like your weight, your health, and the shape of your mouth can make you more likely to snore. Anything that stops you from breathing through your nose can make you snore, like if you're stopped up from a cold, flu, or allergies. If the thin wall between your nostrils didn't form quite right, one side can be smaller than the other. That's called a deviated septum. That can make it harder for you to breathe and make you to snore more. But should you worry? Probably not unless you're facing any health issues or you're disturbing someone else in your sleep. So that's today's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.